Sunday, have a shower and head off to bed, so I thought I'd jump on and give you guys a quick tutorial. I'm just going to do headband curls, so tomorrow I don't have to do anything with my hair other than take it out, and I'll be rocking awesome curls all day. Right, so you just got to make sure you find your part, get a good old trusty headband and put it around. Now if you've got a fringe, you might want to sort of section it out and pop it over the front. But basically the idea is you get sections. If you want tighter curls, twist it. If you're just sort of wanting something a bit more softer, just grab your section and loop it around the headband until you've got your tail here. So you pick up your next section, add it to it. Again, twist it if you want it a bit tighter and wrap it around. Alright, so we're going to add our next section to it. Remember, the thicker your sections get, the bigger your curls and waves will be. So if you want to keep it tight, keep your sections small. If you want to sort of have a bit of variance, alternate. So you'll have bigger sections and smaller sections. Alright, so I've done half the head there. Alright, now before I get too carried away doing the other side, I'm just going to slide some bobby pins in here just to help hold it all while I sleep. Remember, with bobby pins, you get your towel side down, it'll stay longer. Alright, do this side. This side's thicker for me, so I'm just going to twist it just to encourage a bit more curl. And you will find yourself, by the time you get around the back, sort of overlapping what you've done on the other side. And that's okay. Make sure you don't leave out any long stray bits, because you're going to pin it all in anyway. Alright, and make sure you tuck that tail in a few times so it doesn't go anywhere. And I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow and we'll take it all out. Morning, so we spent the night sleeping in our beautiful little headband here. So we're just going to take it out and have a look at our curls for the day. If I can find my bobby pins, give me a second. Okay, so I usually, no, I still got my bobby pins. Take it off from the front and just give it a bit of a shake out. Longer hair, you may have to sort of untangle a bit. Okay, so you can see we've got some pretty impressive curls going on there. Obviously it's a little bit fluffy and messy from sleeping. Oh, there's another bobby pin. So you can run your fingers through it, separate those curls a little bit, smooth it all down. Run a bit of like oil or maybe moisturiser or something through it if you want to. So that's how we do heatless curls. Oops, and looks like I missed a bit too. Yeah, so just wrap it up in your headband, pin it so it doesn't fall out, and you're good to go the next day. It only takes you a couple of minutes. Let me know how you go.